This Corecon training video explores another feature found in Corecon's scheduling module. There are several videos leading up to this point. We encourage you to review each video before going to this advanced subject. Under Projects, with a project selected, going down to Scheduling, and selecting a Gantt schedule that we've been working on in the previous videos. Then going to the Gantt view. One of the goals in maintaining and managing a Gantt schedule on a project is to foresee any potential problems or delays in time. It also helps to keep other companies and contacts that you're collaborating with on the project up to date. Since you're going to have changes in the schedule frequently, you'll want everyone to know when those changes affect them. We've already assigned a few items on this schedule to a project owner contact. It's key to remember that contacts do need to have email addresses in their profile. If I decided to clear those, I can select all, go to Global Changes, and I have an option to clear assigned resources. While I have all selected, I want to add a contact within my own company so that they can see every line item. This would not necessarily be the project manager assigned to the project, but someone else, so that they can keep track of the changes. And I'm going to apply all. You can see these have been updated. I'm also going to assign some of these items to one of the subcontractors. Go to Global Changes, Assign Company, select the contact, and click Apply. I'm going to select those same ones again. Go to Global Changes, and I'm going to also assign a piece of equipment. This piece of equipment may be something that you own or something you're renting from a vendor, and click Apply. I'm going to also assign some of this to a separate vendor or subcontractor. There's also a supplier I need to keep up to date, and that would be the block supplier. So we'll go to Global Changes, select A&E Building Supply, and click Apply. I'm also going to filter this, and I'm going to select Critical Tasks Only, and click Apply. I've already assigned some of the items to the project owner, but I also want to assign some of this to the architect or engineer. So I'm just going to go ahead and select all of the critical path items, go to Global Changes, and click Apply All. I'm going to go back to Filter, click All Tasks to make sure they're all available. When I initially set the schedule to baseline, it'd be a good idea to email assignments to everyone, or when I make changes to the schedule, emailing assignments to everyone that's assigned. Before I do, let's go over to the Resource tab. The Resource tab is a summary by contact of the dates that they are referenced as a resource and the current status of that group of dates. If I wanted to see more detail, for example, which items Ray Stick is referenced on, I just expand the summary and I can see all of those items. Same for the supplier. In this case, there's only one at this point. Back to the Gantt view and click Email Assignments. You can select who you'd like to send the updates to. When you scroll down a little bit farther, if you need to attach something, you have that ability even at this point. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see a preview of what that email will look like. Those that you're emailing will only see the tasks that they're referenced on. And click Send Email. There's also a place for comments, and comments can be added by those companies that you're collaborating with that have been assigned resources. Back to the Gantt view. If you'd like to know more about the subjects covered in this training video, we encourage you to go to the knowledge base, to Leads and Projects, to Scheduling, and review the assigning resource knowledge base articles, as well as emailing task notifications to subs and suppliers.